Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today's tutorial is bubble bath frosting. Bubble frosting can be piped into a cute container by itself or piped as a decorative topping to finish a unique bath creation. It's versatile and can be customized for any occasion and creates high-quality, long-lasting, buildable bubbles. Mix until meringue is completely dissolved and it looks white and frothy. Then slowly add sugar and SLSA. Once all ingredients are in, mix a few minutes. Then scrape the sides of the bowl. Continue whipping on high for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. If frosting isn't thick enough, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar at a time. Once it's ready, frosting becomes very thick. It forms stiff peaks and it will get stuck in the mixing handle. Divide frosting for multiple colors. You'll need a large tip and a piping bag. Right after piping, add garnishes. Dry frosting 48 hours. Although it gets a hard crust on the outside, it'll never be rock solid and will remain a bit softer on the inside. I only used a very small piece of it and it filled my entire tub up with bubbles. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful tips, the supply list, and my social media accounts. You can connect with me anytime.